My name's Jasmine Whitten and I'm currently a young farming champion, and today I'm here presenting what I've learnt and why I love the egg industry. Today we've taught kids at the Sydney Royal Show what they need to know about what the farmer does. From the time the egg's laid by the hen, what does a farmer do before it reaches the shelf for the consumer? So we've looked at the outside and we've looked at the inside of an egg, and we've discovered what makes the best quality product that finds its way into the carton. I'm going to ask a really important question. Who knows what a farmer does once the hen lays the egg? They do check the egg. I'm going to let you in on a few little checks that we do to make sure that you guys get the best egg when you open up your carton. You guys ready for it? All right, who wants to help me out? I need 2 helpers. So the challenge is, I want you to pick one egg that's not going to make it in the carton. Your classmates have identified this egg is not making it in the carton. Why won't it make it in? It's all yucky, it's got egg yolk on it, so it won't make it in the egg carton. And what about this one?
It's squashed.
It's squashed? What else do we notice about that egg? It's too small. This egg won't make it in the egg carton. So we take that out so you guys only get the best eggs. What do we like about these eggs?
They're in shape.
They're in shape, they're big size, they're good eggs. All right, thank you girls. What are we doing to this egg? We are examining it. What do we notice underneath the egg? There's a light. What we're doing is we'll shine a light through the egg to see if there's any cracks. And I want you guys to tell me if you see any, because that egg won't make it in your egg carton. Does that egg look okay? Yeah, so that egg will make it in the egg carton. I want you guys to pick one egg from here and I want you to pick an egg from there. We're going to look inside the egg and see what makes a good egg. You want to crack your egg in there? Oh, good job. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to position this needle right there and I want you to push the button for us. Can you guys all remember that number? Do you want to crack your egg for us? So which is the better egg? The girls. What makes the girls one so good? Big is better. So what this test was looking at is how high the white is. Who's ever cracked an egg and we've had our egg go all over the fry pan and you're like, I just wanted a round egg? Well, what that's caused by is the fact that it depends on how we store our eggs. So this egg that was 15, we kept it in the fridge the entire time. This egg, which was really low and didn't really stay together, we kept it out in the heat for a week. So I'm going to look at what colour the egg yolk is. We've got 13, 12, think it's about a 13. Come and have a look at all these eggs up here. 1, 2, 3, Eggsperts!